Guys, this is unbelievable, and the output is so classical. The image, the video, everything is just given. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use this particular website to create your videos using Grok AI for free. Guys, for free. But let me put this out before you start creating. Okay, this app offers you 70 credits per sign up. That is, every time you use a different email to sign up, you have 70 credits. Do you understand? And every day you're giving 20 free credits, making it 90 credits in total. Now this 90 credits can enable you to generate videos as you want. I'm going to show you other models that uses lesser credit also, so in case you want to give a trial and try other options. But let me show you first how to use this Grok AI here for free. All right, without having to insert your card details or subscription method. What if everything is absolutely free? Don't bother about the name of the app. I'm going to tell you towards the end of this video. Just what you need to do is to pay attention, so you follow this step by step so you don't miss any, because it looks a little bit complex, the interface So guys, without much ado, let's go. So when it's open to the interface like this, okay, you want to see login details. You're going to first, if you've not signed up, sign up, and when you sign up, you will log in. Okay, now you can use a temporary email, but here I'm using my main email. The moment this interface pops up, okay, it's going to give you options like continue with email, continue with Facebook, continue with app. You know, the first one is where you can use a temporary email. The second one is where you can use a Google email. So I'm going to use my Google email to log in. All right, so the moment I log in, now it's going to redirect me into the interface. Guys, I'm going to show you how you can use this to create a video. This is more than just an app. And the best part of this app is that it has everything in one place. That is beautiful. You're going to see it together. So we are already signed into the app. Now look up here. The first thing I'm going to show you is the free credits that you have here. 90 credits. Guys, can you see that? Beautiful. So let's head over to the interface. This is the Canva. This is the workflow. Now this Canva gives you agent theme, where you have to give just one prompt and everything will be done automatically for you without having to click anything. But what we'll be using today, so that we can create what we want, is the workflow result. Please follow this step by step, okay? I've seen a lot of people confused about this app, but I'm going to try my best to make it detailed and simplified enough. All right, so now look towards your left hand corner. You're going to see new project. Now go ahead and click this new project. It's going to open up to this interface. It has different options there. You're going to see agent, Canva, you're going to see theme. You know, what we are going to use is the workflow. Open up the workflow, okay, click it up, and it's going to open up to another interface. Where is the magic? Like, the magic is going to happen on that interface, and it looks a little bit tricky. That is, if you fast forward this video, yeah. So click on it, and it's going to take you into this wireframe interface. Okay, that looks so confusing and complex, and you're wondering, where do I go from here? How should I go? How should I do it? What should I click? You know, you have a lot of questions. Sometimes you have a blank space just like this. Sometimes you open up with different screens inside this particular interface. But however your own comes out, don't panic. The simple thing you need to do once you open up to this interface, please pay attention. The first thing you need to do is click on this new chat. All right, this new chat is going to open you up to entire frame. I'm talking about you that open it and saw different boxes inside, because you definitely see boxes. But for me, there is no boxes. The reason is because I have used this and I've been using it. Do you understand? All right, so now you are here. Go ahead, this plus button that is just here looking at you, click on it. Ranging from write your text to image creation to video creation. So please, this part is very important, because whatever option you are choosing from here will determine what we are creating and the model to use. all the models are not available on all the things you want to create. Please note that part. So what we want to use is Grok AI. For us to use Grok AI, we must choose the one that allows the model. All right, I'm not going to open all of it to show you because of the length of the video, but I'm going to go straight and use Grok AI here, and we create that stunning video. As an example, what we are going to use. All right, the moment you click on that, you still have this interface staring at you. The thing you're going to click next that will take off this platform, like this interface, and give you access to where you are going to prompt your video, is same that plus button that you click. Okay, click it to close it. So once you click that plus sign, you're going to see image to video, text to video, because we want to use Grok AI. So go ahead and use image to video. Once you click that video, image to video, close this button here. And the question is, do I have the image available with me? No, I don't have the image available with me, but I want to use Grok AI to generate my entire video without the image. Or in case you have the image, why not go ahead and use the image? Let's add our image. And once you click that plus sign, it's going to take you to your mobile phone where your image is. So upload the image, and it will be uploaded like this. Then paste your prompt here, paste your ID. Come here where you have image to video. Look at it, you have sedans. Now this sedans, you will run it for 260. That is not free. So what we have is 90 carats. So if you want to use Grok AI to generate this, so go ahead and select this. You are going to see other models too, like clean. All the models are here. If you look down, you're going to see Grok. And if you see Grok here, Grok is 70 carats. Okay, 70 carats. I will show you other models that have lesser carats, so you can change if you want to change your mind and use a 90 carat to create maybe like almost all your videos, because that 90 carats can definitely create all your videos. That is if you choose lesser model. Let me show you. The lesser model here is, we have sedans 1.0, 1.0 light. That gives you 12 carats. So you still have, just imagine you have 90 carats, and you have a model, not just anyhow model, sedans, to generate your videos. That 12 carats can carry you your entire video. Guys, drop in the comments if this is making sense. Don't forget to like this video if you've watched to this point, and turn on my notifications so you don't miss my next upload. Okay, so you now look down, you're going to see other ones that are less, like Sora. I've seen Sora 2. Sora 2 is 80 and we have 90 carats, so it's not that less. But I think the least here is the sedans. Sedans is the least. Okay, sedans and this MIL is the least. So today's video, let's use Grok so that we can see what the output is like. So here is duration 5 seconds. Well, you can reduce it if you want. You can, if you increase it, let's see what will happen if you increase it. If you increase it to 6 seconds, it will increase the carat. So it means that the higher the duration, the lesser the carat you use. So let's reduce it to 2 seconds. Let's see the carat that will be used, 28 carats, 2 seconds. And the question is, what will you be creating in 2 seconds? So I think that 4 seconds should be the best, because I don't have a lot of script. So you have 156 carats. So it means that with the 90 carats that I have, I can generate 2 videos 4 seconds long. Beautiful. So the moment you hit that run, okay, now you're not giving the instruction that we are good to go and we are okay with it. Your image and your prompt will start generation. Now remember, your image is in the image box and your text is in the text box. Okay, so wow, our image is ready and our video is live. So guys, this is another way you can use Grok AI for free, honestly. Now remember, every free thing has limitations. So this might be limiting you to creating multiple videos because it's free. You can upgrade to the paid version, and trust me, you won't regret if it is paid. All right, but if you're looking for free, you can still be using this. Change your email, okay, change your email, use another email to log in, claim your 70 credit. Okay, once you sign up, you have 70 credit, and then claim your 20 credit, you have 90. You keep generating. So this is another way you can also use. So the name of this website is Robonio AI. I'm going to paste it here, so go ahead and use it. Follow this step by step and get it done. Yeah, let me know if you'll be trying this out. Once you are done with it, you can go ahead and click that download button that you see, that little button, and boom, it's in your phone. Go ahead and use it. Guys, the quality is mind-blowing. Let me know if you'll be trying this new model, and let me know in the feedback how it is going with you. How many videos are you able to generate with it? And also, will you subscribe to the list model, which is the sedans? Okay, sedans has 4 credits, 4 carrots, where you can use to generate more multiple videos, okay, with your 90 carrots. Thank you so much for watching to this time, and until then, see you in the next one.